My call to action would be to share the lessons that you learned throughout the Social Good Conference and share them with your network. If you can throw a rock into a lake and you see the ripples forming out, that's what you want to do with the messages and the life lessons and the resources that you're learning about throughout this conference, and really use those to collaborate and find inspiration to keep doing social good and to help other people learn from you, which will ripple into other people learning from other people and create a synergy effect. And know that your voice matters. What you have gone through as a human here on earth is something to be celebrated and shared. And when it needs corrected. It's all in how you engage, and choosing to do that for the social good is something that will help you have power in your community, create that synergy, and really explode in the goodness of being here on earth and what we can do in our communities.
Thank you so much.